guys, we're the Hockey Bros.
And it's time for a Christmas unboxing special. We're only unboxing one thing, but it can be called that because we can.
Okay, so Johnny, start it off. Go.
Alright, just to get you guys excited about the next video, we're starting off with a drone. And if you guys remember this thing, don't worry, I did not get this one for Christmas. This is the old one. This thing had the worst camera ever. I got this for my birthday, and we had the worst camera ever. 720 pixel, 2 megapixels, right here. This is amazing, isn't it? Yeah.
I'm so good. Okay, so we have the drone.
We got this thing. We got this glossy red, awesome Assignment X8HG with a 4K video camera. Video in the description of the HD drone shots. So don't worry, this does not come with this drone. That would be crazy. This one, yeah, this does not came with that drone. Yeah, that drone. Yeah, this one comes with the drone. This is not anything ordinary though. This is a 1080 pixel HD, 10 megapixel HD camera. So it's not exactly nothing. This is a really, really good camera. This one is 16 megapixel though. It is extra because it does not come with it. I got this, to the side of it. Anyway, enough with the drones. This will be in the next video in the description.
Actually, speaking about drones,
he got one too. Oh my gosh, what are the chances?
It is a virtual reality drone.
Virtual reality,
you put on the glasses. If you guys have not heard of virtual reality, I don't know where you guys been.
Yeah.
So you can like put your phone in and you can see what the drone sees. Pretty cool. And I know you guys are thinking, how do you steer with it? You can't steer with it. It's just you steer with the remote.
Yeah, you do the virtual reality after you film it.
And then it has up to 12 minutes of flight time. So, you have anything else?
Anyway, speaking of virtual reality, I got a headset too. He got another headset. Yeah, so it looks like he has like 2 headsets because this is my one come with a headset.
Yes, I can use that for virtual reality.
Alright, let's put it on. We're doing it. Oh, it's like a blindfold now. There's no phone in it. The phone will go in here. I can't see you guys, so I'm really sorry. But...
Oh my god!
Oh yeah.
Alright, I can actually see through mine. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna put the code down. I can't see you. Mine has like this, and then you can like switch out the
Yeah.
So, put this back.
So, anyway, real cool virtual reality stuff. Yeah, fun stuff.
Good stuff. What else did you get, Johnny? Well, you got a Ducks hat.
I did get the Ducks hat. Okay. I got the Ducks hat. You also got the 4K sports video camera. That is on the drone, so just showing you the box. And yeah, I had a pretty good Christmas. I also got tickets to a Ducks game right on the glass. And yeah. And, I also bought myself a custom jersey.
Pretty cool. Okay, next day.
I think that's all I have.
I have a Rubik's Cube.
Cube.
Again, if you guys don't know what a Rubik's Cube is,
where have you been?
So.
It's like outdated though, so I wouldn't be surprised.
They're pretty fun. One line. So like, it's a Rubik's Cube. I don't know what to say about it. But like, it's fun to play with. Still figuring it out. All you hockey fans out there, we got some new gloves. Pretty sick. They feel really nice. They're Mission Inhaler AC2. An older like model, but they're really nice. If you guys have any, say subscribe. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Cost. Let's see.
Apple Watch.
That's what he got. Cross stick. This is a Nike Vandal with a Nike Vapor head. Yeah, pretty sick. You guys know it's actually busy.
So anyway, my last present was the Apple Watch Series 1. It's pretty cool, pretty cheap considering I got it on Black Friday stuff. So see if you guys can see that. Got the digital crown. You can play music. Watch here. All the cool stuff. You got photos, weather. You can accept phone calls. Obviously, you guys' favorite. You got Pokemon Go on here.
So
can measure your heartbeat and stuff. So
also, for you hockey people, new skates. We have a little flying ice hockey now. So these are the green, 150. They're really nice, real nice. And what do I?
Yep.
They're nice. They're cushiony.
They're upgraded
Yeah.
from like the standard model. It's upgraded.
Go.
He traded
Good
it.
skates.
So.
Good skates. Go.
They're nice. Anyway, guys, that is our Christmas. There will be a link in the description to the HG Drone Shop video. I think you guys will really like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new or are not subscribed, please do subscribe.
Subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
That's how you do Christmas.
Hockey
Hockey Bro style.
See you guys in the next one.